Hi everyone, I wanted to give you guys an update on my garden. So things have been changing. Summer's over, we've harvested almost everything, and now it is fall. And so I just wanted to kind of show you what's going on in my garden and what's still growing and what I'm going to start planting soon. It's October and the weather is cooler now, it's autumn, but there's still some time left for our growing season. I think our first frost is in November, like around November 20th or something. So if you don't know how to do that, then you can look at my video on how to figure out if you have enough time to grow a certain plant or not. So going forward, I've been thinking a lot about this gardening channel. And going forward, I think that what I want to do is I want to just have this be a place where I can come and share with you what I'm up to in my garden. And not so much a how-to or not so much tutorials, but just kind of, what I'm up to in the garden and how I'm doing things. So I know you guys probably noticed that I've been missing from regular YouTube videos on this channel, and that's because I've been working really hard on just my health and my well-being, and so that's why I've been absent. But I'm here, and as the growing season is kind of cooling down and everything's looking like just it seems like the growing season is over, which is really not. This is my favorite time of year to grow because it's so cool outside and you can grow cool weather crops like cabbage and broccoli and cauliflowers and even herbs like cilantros and things like that that I love. So I'm going to show you around what I still have growing in my garden. It was a pleasant surprise to find a bitter gourd underneath the pumpkin plant. I trellised it in the summer and it is still making now. My Thai basil plants have gone to flower and are starting to seed, and so I'm going to let it just go ahead and dry out on the plant and then keep them for the seeds for next season. Since the weather has cooled down again, my pepper plants started making peppers again. These are my banana peppers, and this is a bell pepper. It will actually be an orange bell pepper. Peppers and eggplants will flower again in the fall. This is a red Malabar spinach that's going to seed, and the seeds can actually be dyed into this beautiful black currant color. To keep your zinnias growing throughout the season to the fall, you just need to deadhead it. So just cut off the flowers that are turning kind of brown, and then it'll start making all these new beautiful bloom. I have a few okra plants still making some okras, but soon enough it'll be time to pull them. I want to show you a little bit of my my tomato plants that I have too. We had some tomato plants that were late in the season, and I just went ahead and put it in little pots and put it out. They are getting hit with late blight, but I'm still getting tomatoes, and so I just wanted to show you some of it. This plant has one, and I harvested one from there already. This has two, it has four, and it seems like a bird pecked at that one already too. But I might have to just take this one because something ate it. I don't want to waste any energy off of it. So I went ahead and pulled some of the tomatoes that were orange because I don't want any more of the birds getting to it. Here I also have some other tomatoes that I potted up on the side of the stair. This is just a row of garlic that I planted the other day for next year. This volunteer passion fruit has been a treat for us this year. It just grew, and they don't turn purple, they're green. My favorite Coates vegetable are snow peas, and I have 2 rows of this just by each other on a fence. These are Oregon snow peas, and I'm growing some sweet jade snow peas as well. My husband put down some drip tape and put up some rows for me for some vegetables for the fall, and added some hoop houses. So on the side of these plants that are taking 1 square foot, that are broccoli and that are broccoli, cauliflower, and napa cabbage. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grow like short growing vegetables such as like bok choy, like mustard greens and things like that grows really quickly, and I'll do that on the side. And so we'll have, because there's a lot of space, it's more than a square foot of each space, and I did that on purpose so that I can grow stuff around it if I needed to. In my grow bags, I am growing some Chinese hot peppers, and I think we're going to be able to get some this year because I'm seeing lots of flowers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.